Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm here with a couple of products from Hansshow that's gonna aesthetically upgrade. And if you believe a spoiler is functional, it's gonna be a functional upgrade to the Tesla Model 3 2025. These are illuminated door sills. And of course, they give you everything you need. We're gonna go from this bland looking, plain looking door sill to add something with a little more flair. It's gonna light up. It's just gonna bring up the luxurious feeling just a tad, just a little bit, right? To add to that beautiful white interior you see right there and this LED lighting. Why not improve the entrance to your vehicle with a little bit of this? All right, so this one's different from previous years because you have this little hole right here that helps seal the door. See it right here. So we have to remove this and then we'll go from there. You're gonna take a heat gun and heat up the edges a little bit. Oh yeah, there's adhesive underneath. There we go. See that right under there. All right, so that came out pretty easily. All that adhesive that Tesla puts on there. All right, I don't know if I'm gonna clean all that off. Let me see how it will sit. I think I'm gonna let it ride. All right, it's gonna be pretty straightforward. This right here, this guides where this magnet is gonna go. So you're gonna put these on upside down. I'll show you that in a second. But first, I'm gonna clean here and I'm gonna clean underneath there because that's where the magnet's gonna stick. I'm gonna go underneath. Honestly, I know it's not going way over there, but might as well keep it clean, keep it classy. That's where the battery goes, and they did give you extra batteries. So I'll remove the adhesive. My hands are ashy because I've been working all day. I'm telling all these manufacturers this right now. If y'all can figure out a way to have people remove these stickers from the back without digging with our nails, like a little pull tab or something, man, that'll be helpful. And I think you'll make a lot of us happy. And the good thing about this is it's already aligned, right? Because of that hole. There it goes. You're gonna take this sticker and adhesive side up. Goes right here. Because what you're gonna do now is you're gonna close it and it's gonna stick there. 1/1000. And now voila. So if you take a look under here, you'll see there it is. It's right there, so that's where you're gonna put this magnet. Now look at this little magnet I'm supposed to remove. I'm supposed to remove this sticker. Come on, man. This is probably the worst part about all these installs. I'm not complaining though, but I am. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I know, huh? Look how easy it was with the pry tool. They're gonna say, oh, look, it got stuck. Look. They're gonna say, hey, that's why we sent you those pry tools. Now you have to stick your magnet right in the circle. So now the magnet's in there. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. And let's see. Is it illuminated? Ha ha. Yeah. I'm gonna try it one more time. Turn the lights off so you can really see it. Yeah. Model 3. Just upgraded your Highland. Now for the back. So you see the back is a little different. It just has this one little piece, so it doesn't even have a door seal. So you're really gonna upgrade the back for your rear passengers. But I'm gonna tell you something else about this. On the old Model 3s and Model Ys, they didn't have this little gap. So you kind of have to just kind of figure out where it went, you know, play it by ear. You kind of rock it into place. But this one, you'll know exactly where it goes. So I'm gonna heat this up and repeat the process. Easy, easy money. All right. I just don't like how that adhesive, knowing that adhesive's under there. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean it. And the underside. Same thing, remove the adhesive. Get it in where it fits in. So you gotta put this in adhesive side up. Open. Push it in. The smallest thing ever. All right, and we're gonna stick this in that hole. Press tightly. Let's see if this door seal is illuminated. Yeah, check that out. Beautiful. They have different styles, different colors. The choice is yours. The next thing they sent me was a carbon fiber spoiler that looks exactly like Tesla's. It's glossy, it's beautiful, it's easy to install, real carbon fiber. All you have to do is measure, line it up where you want it, make sure that you clean underneath, always clean when you're using adhesive. Teslas use adhesive as well. They do say you can have painter's tape hold it down so it stays in place. I'm gonna do this to show you, but it's not necessary because I've installed a few spoilers, and actually one I didn't even use the blue tape and it held as long as you apply enough pressure. But hey, there it is. Got the spoiler looking legit. We got the illuminated seals. I'm gonna go install the other two in a minute. Boom, there it is. Hey, thanks for watching, and don't forget, Cobra showed ya. All right, y'all.